it is best to look at this like cosine 12 theta raised to the third power. That's the best way to look at this. That's what that 3 means. That 3 is raising the cosine result to the third power. So I'm just going to put this power on the outside with all these parentheses and stuff to try to help your mind organize what's going on. Let's do some identifications here, okay? Okay, all right. So first, I'm going to say the f function is our most inside function. And then I'm going to say the g function is the next outside function. And then I'm going to say, what's after g? Let's do h. The h function is the most outside function. So can you guys identify for me the most inside function? That is 12 times theta. Actually, I shouldn't have written x. I should have written theta. So let's get rid of those guys and write theta right here. All right. So this is a function of theta. The most inside function is 12 theta. And then what's the next function outside of that? That one is cosine theta. Very nice, very nice. And then the next function outside of that? Oops, not g. All right, we have theta cubed. Now we could have used x, I guess, but let's just stay consistent with our independent variable. So if the cubed is my most outside function, that's the one you want to do first. So I'm just going to drop this 3, and it's going to say cosine 12 theta raised to the second power. So all I did was take the derivative of the third power. Okay, now, and I put the 2 there because I thought that would make more sense to you guys, but this is not really the way you would write it. It would be 3 cosine squared, and then you'd put the 12 theta in right here. Right? And then we're going to multiply it times the next function. So the next inside function, first we started with this one, would be the cosine. Do you guys know what the cosine, the derivative of cosine is after looking at the formulas? Yes, it is negative. So negative, I want to say -1 sine, but you can just write negative sine, and then you keep the inside function inside of it. So I only took the derivative of cosine. So the first thing I did was take the derivative of the third power, then I took the derivative of cosine, and there's one more function inside of it, because we do the chain rule twice. And what would the derivative of that function be on the inside? Just a 12. Okay, so now to simplify this, I'm looking at, I guess you could call these coefficients, the numbers in front of everything. We have a 3 right here, a -1 right here, and a 12 right here. If I multiply all those together, that would give me 36 negative. And then you have cosine squared 12 theta times sine 12 theta. And that's your answer.